All right, so if you've still got a can of compressed air sitting in your desk drawer, I want to show you something that is going to completely replace that. This is the NEI compressed air duster, and the brand sent this my way to test out. So you're going to get my full honest take on it, because boy, did I put it to the test. Now, the first thing that stood out to me was the speed control. A lot of these air dusters just give you a low, medium, and high switch. This one actually has a slider. You push it all the way to the left, you've got 0 airflow, and then you slide it all the way to the right, you've got 150,000 RPM power, and you can stop it anywhere in between to completely dial in exactly how much air you need. Now you just press and hold the power button for like 2 seconds to turn it on, and then slide that airflow control to whatever level you want, and you are good to go. Now it does come with 4 interchangeable nozzles, a wide one, a long cone shaped one if you're trying to direct airflow into like a really specific spot, a smaller precision tip, and one with a brush built right into the end of it for getting into like vents, dusting things out. It does also come with some little cleaning brushes in the kit, plus a storage box to keep it all together, and it charges with a standard Type-C, so no weird cable to keep track of. You can use any Type-C cable, but it did come with one. All right, so to actually answer the question, you're probably wondering, is this strong enough to really replace canned air? And yes, I dumped a bunch of flour in between all the keys of my keyboard, hit the high power, and it absolutely blasted that flour right out. I mean, blasted it. It went everywhere. Cleaning the flour off my chair afterward was honestly easy with this air blower too. And when testing this thing, I didn't stop there. Blowing leaves off the patio was a breeze with this thing. No pun intended. I also used it on cobwebs, which I'm happy because I hate touching cobwebs with my actual hands. And you can just blow them right off in a distance. And just to show you how much power this really has, I pointed it at some metal wind chimes I have hanging up, and it actually got them moving. That's how much force comes out of this thing when you're on the high power setting. Now, as far as noise goes, since that's something a lot of people ask about, it's not silent, especially when you crank it up to high, but it's also not painfully loud either. It's about what you would expect from something putting out this kind of airflow. It's nowhere near obnoxious as some like shop vacs or blowers I've used in the past. And my favorite little thing that surprised me on this was that the magnifying glass built into the bottom. It has its own light too. There's just a small button you press and hold to turn the light on. And of course, it's really hard to capture on camera, but I did try reading some small text on my phone through it, and the magnifier actually works really well. It's a nice little bonus feature that I wasn't expecting to use as much as I did. Overall, this air duster is a solid pickup if you're tired of buying canned air over and over. You just want something that has real adjustable power for like keyboards, electronics, vents, or even just cleaning around the house and garage. So hope that helps.